At a different spot here where we got like another, either a fumarole or another caldera or something here. It goes down in there. You can see.
This stuff is lava?
Yes. All down in there. It goes right on the ground, so it may have all, I don't know, I have to look at the brochure and figure that out. But this is a different place. This is not the ice caves. This is El Caldera trailhead in New Mexico. All right. Now we got Junction Cave, a little sun shining on there. Ooh, cave crickets. We're not going to walk down in there. This is number 1. Watch your step here. Oh yeah. I guess if you wanted to hike down in there, but it looks like it'd be rather precarious going down there back into the cave, and rather dangerous too. So I don't think we're going to do that. Coming up to Double Sinks, number 2. We're showing the map down there. You see number 2 down there. So here's Double Sinks. Oh, there's a sink on either side. Wow, pretty neat stuff. Oh, look at that sink, how deep that is. Ooh. Look at that. Whoa, 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 whoa. Man. Walk down here a little bit. That's as far as I'm going to walk is here. Oh, it goes down there pretty far, I guess. I see trees growing down there. Looks like another fumarole or whatever. Look at this, all on the ground. This whole area is nothing but lava stuff all on the ground here. And it's as far as my extension goes out there to see how far down that is. All right, look at that. Come back up here. There we go. There's one on the other side too. That's why it's called Double Sinks. Well, this is the other half over here, the other half of the sink. I'll extend the arm a little bit to see if I can get over the edge, but it looks pretty precarious to get any closer. I might go down that spot there. Hold on a second. That one's pretty dark down there. That's as far out as I can get the camera for you to see in there. But I'm going to take a couple.
Can you see the bottom?
No, I don't think so. I think it goes straight down. Can't really see it. All right. And we're still going to the Bat Cave. And at least it's a nice, well-marked trail. And it's nice outside, nobody around. It's very good. Well, look at that countryside there. All open spaces. You're definitely not in New Jersey. We're in New Mexico. Coming up to, I bet this is number 3, the Bat Cave. Although I don't see the Batmobile. It says do not enter, Bat Cave closed. Well, I guess only the hardy ones can go down into the Bat Cave. Cave closed. I don't want to go near that edge to get you a good shot. I might walk around over there, but not here. Number 3. There we go. What lies beneath a Bat Cave. A lot of reflection here. The lava tube before you houses anywhere from 1,000 to over 100,000 bats. Stay there during the day. At night they come out and feed on insects. There's the bat. Here he is there. The white nose, which is attacking the bats there. But sign says Centerlift Cave, 625 feet long, and greatest depth, you need a caving permit. So I guess there's a trail that might go down there to get into the cave, which we're not going to do. We're just taking an overlook. And there's probably some down there. Maybe from over here I can get a better angle. Oh yeah, this looks pretty safe here. Oh yeah, there's an arrow pointing to where the trail is, so I guess it starts here and goes down. And yeah, that'll be a pretty Look at all those rocks ready to slide down on you there. So I guess it looks like cave goes up there and maybe under here, but it looks like you go down here and there's a trail, looks like goes there and then into the cave. It says, all right, some signs in there too. We're not going in there for sure. Well, it's about as far over as I can extend my arm to look down in there. I don't know if you can see anything down there or not, but yeah, it's pretty far down there.
Oh, the booklet says the bats come out in the evening.
Right, yeah, because bats are never out there during the day. There you go. All right. There's the surrounding area. The old bat cave. Number four on the map down there, if you can see it. This is the lava trench. It's a big trench with lava in it, I guess.
That's where, oh, this one is number 4 on the map?
Yep.
Oh.
Well, I don't want to get too close to the edge here.
Oh, wow, look at this one. Biggest of all, huh?
It's just another trench. That's all it is, really.
Is this one called Lava Trench?
Yes, it is. Yeah, you can see down there. I don't want to get any closer to the edge because it looks not too solid. It looks like it came down from up there. It came down here. It just all full of lava. Well, we walked a bunch for this. It's nothing great, but still, it's the thrill of being here. It says view of the crater, another 1/10 of a mile. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Well, it says number 5 on the old map down here. Shows right there. And then there's an overlook further up there. But I don't think I'm going to go up to the overlook. There's a bunch of steps. Oh yeah, there's a big bunch of steps up there. I'm not doing that. You can see them going up there. And it's not much of a caldera anyhow. This is it. I mean, it's all overgrown with trees and everything here. So, yeah, it was okay. But it was a hike. Heading back now. Okay. Well, there's a good view looking straight ahead. Out in the big old flat top mountain way out there. You can see I'm going back down. Going down the trail here. It's nice, breezy, but the sun is intense, but the breeze helps to cool you off, and we're probably at 7,000–8,000 feet here. So yeah, downhill pretty much all the way back. Yay! Well, I'm on the trail going down, nice and easy here. Oh, I like this, going downhill on the trail, getting some speed here. The world is looking good, good views out there. I ran into a pretty girl on the trail as she was going down. I was coming up, so nice things do happen on trails. So that was a good experience, albeit brief for 20 seconds, but I'm thankful for it. All right, let's keep going here. Going down the trail, all right. I don't know if you can hear those birds. They're over in those trees. Can't see them. And I'm looking. There must be a bunch of them in there. Oh, I see one. I see one or two. I see 3 of them. Yeah, I see another one in another tree. They're small little birds that make a lot of noise. So, but anyhow, back down the trail. All right. I got a cactus along the trail. Come by. Look at the old cactus here. Growing right next to the trail. There's the trail. There he is. Good old cactus. Coming up here. I don't know if there's anything, no flowers on this one yet, but got some black stuff coming out, but I don't know what that is then. But a nice cactus plant right on the trail here.